What we got, oh, look at proper installation on, that's improper. Improper installation, improper. You don't want to ever do that on a roof. This is improper. It's improper right now.
888-7663 Stellar Roofing.
Hi, this is Rick with Stellar. We're on our way to a project over in North Chili. We're gonna go meet the crew there, get them set up, talk with the homeowner, and make sure that everything is smooth, gonna go correctly, the way we always do. The asphalt roof we're going to take care of today has potential leaks. It has certain kind of ventilation problems that we're gonna have to address when we get there. Gonna go up on top of the roof with the crew boss, go over a couple things. We always bounce some ideas off each other, that way we know that we're both on the same page. It's imperative that we do that, that way the homeowner gets the job that they paid for. So, shortly we're gonna be pulling up to the job, and then we'll go greet the customer, make sure they know who we are. We're on site right now. We're gonna go knock on the door. Hello.
Hi, how you doing today?
Hi, I'm Rick with Stellar.
Harry Enders?
Yep, we're here to take care of your roof. Are there any cares and concerns you want to tell me about before we start?
Yes, we have a couple leaks in roof. One is right inside the front door right in here.
Okay,
And the other one is on the back sliding door that attaches the three-season room.
okay, all right. We're gonna investigate those areas. What I want to do is I want to give you this. That way, any cares or concerns through the day, and even after your roof is done, just don't be afraid to call me,
Awesome.
day or night.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go talk with the crew boss. I'm gonna make sure that he's got everything. We're gonna go over and we're gonna hop on your roof and we're gonna do the investigation, and we're gonna make sure that we see everything that we need to see, so that way we address it properly.
Oh, great.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we'll get right to
Let's
it.
go.
Good morning.
Morning, Rick.
Good morning. Okay, so he's got leaks in the back, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back there, we're gonna find out where the areas are, and we need to check the ventilation on the back too, because they need some different kind of ventilation. It's improper right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna grab my ladder, we'll go back there. Here, we'll go this way. Let's pick the easiest way.
So where the leak in the back area is here is where the original wall is.
Okay,
There's a sliding door right there, and it's coming in right at the sliding door.
that enters into the inside of the house. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get up there, we're gonna scour your roof for a little bit.
Okay.
We're gonna make sure, and what was addressed to me in the notes when you guys did your contract is that you guys have a situation with ventilation.
Okay, yeah.
So the crew boss and I were gonna talk about what we're gonna do to alleviate the ventilation problem. That way it extends the longevity of your roof. We can already see there's a little bit of improper installation on a composite roof. There's never supposed to be anything nailed to the top of this. And you can see they nailed asphalt drip edge, tar on top of the nail heads. That's a big no in a situation like this. And then we'll travel back up this way. And this is the area that the homeowner was pointing out as problematic for the leak. And we can see that some of the siding is sealed down. Some of it, people do that, but they don't understand that water can go this way right here. So somebody who was not used to roofing would actually not know that water is supposed to spill out from underneath here. So that's improper. Thermal cracking. And then what we got, so we got an electric riser right here with a regular pipe boot on there. Let's not get too close. We don't know if the insulation's good, but with a regular pipe boot on there, improper installation. This is supposed to get a riser boot, which separates in the front and then has a sealant that goes down on the front. So we're gonna make that correct when everything's all said and done here. So then we got satellite dishes per the homeowner's request. Those go in the trash. No sealant on the bolts for the satellite dish, improper. You don't want to ever do that on a roof. Then we got our chimney. This is the counter flashing, which is kind of okay, but obviously dated. But we do the best job ever when it comes to the counter flashing. So this right here, will look like a shiny penny when it's all done. Ridge vent. Ridge vent, this one will be tore off, new ridge vent installed. We use the Lomenco ridge vent. It's one of the #1s in the market. And then we go up here. We got box vents on all 4 sides of the house with a ridge vent down there. Certain situations like this, when it has box vents like this is improper because this box vent will work against this box vent. This box vent will work against this one. Creates a vacuum, could potentially suck water into the house. Does not ventilate out. Because we have a roof that is a brittle roof down here below this roof, when our crew starts tearing this one off right here, back here, and over there, what they'll do is they'll tear this roof off, go up over the top, come over this way, and then drop all their garbage in the front to avoid any impact on that brittle roof, and they'll make it to the dumpster. We're gonna change the dynamics of this roof. This is a composite roof. We're gonna put framework down on top of this roof. Because it's a 2-pitch, anything 2-pitch or less needs flat roof membrane material. Our flat roof membrane material will come up the roof line to this next asphalt slope, and then our asphalt slope will flow down over the top of this so the water flows the right way into the gutter and where it's supposed to go. As we got up here, I noticed that we have a Japanese maple. It's a very large Japanese maple. It's definitely the largest one I've ever seen. And what we do is we let the homeowner know that they need to have a professional arborist come in, trim the tree back. That way there's no broken branches. We'll pull the tree back to make sure that we don't damage anything on it because we want to make sure everything is the way it is when we got here. But what we do is we leave this kind of stuff to the tree professionals, and what we do is we pay attention to the professional stuff that is in our forte.
Matthew with Stellar Roofing here with the homeowner. We're going to go up on the roof, take a very close look and do a really thorough inspection to make sure that everything was done properly and the way we promised it would be done. If you remember from the first video, it was original 3-season room that had the old tin roof on there. What we did is we put decking over the top of it and we put our flat roofing system on here. This is running up under the shingles, then the shingles are cascading back over the top of it to make sure we don't have any more leaks at that area where he was having issues with in the first place. This is what we call a riser boot. If you remember from the first video, they had some type of contraption of an old pipe boot on there. This is a riser boot. They go around the electric riser and then they're open when they come delivered, and then they're sealed up with these little metal clips right here, nice and tight, to make sure that everything, all the water drips off properly and you don't have any type of leaking issues or any water going back underneath the shingles. You can see these 2 lips right here, so that's imperative. We'll move over to the chimney flashing. Absolutely work of art. Leave down in the comments below if you had a roof done recently, go up and look at your chimney and see if it looks like this. So we have our flashing that's nice and deep cut into the chimney itself. Here's the other side right here. Beautiful job, literally perfection. Then you have your ridge vent right here. Again, this is a 6-inch boot. It's a larger pipe boot for a lead pipe. So again, you have, a lot of people make the mistake of covering this up and you don't see this, and they bury this. This is very important that this is out so that the water can drip off of here and go into the gutter where it belongs. Right here we have installed a new bathroom fan vent. A lot of people leave that out. They'll leave the old one up there. We like to make sure that we put a nice new shiny one on there for them. Let's make sure it's going to work properly and work correctly. And then, most importantly, if you remember, somewhere in the pictures, there might be a picture right here. You had 4 box vents, one here, one here, one here, and one here. You always want to make sure that your ventilation is on one side, and that's it. And we have a Lomenco Whirlybird. So when you have 4 box vents, one becomes an intake, and then it screws the exhaust system up, and that can cause rain and snow and stuff to get inside the roof. We definitely don't want that. So we have our turbine on here. The turbine has I think the turbine's the only thing that's made in the world that actually has a forever warranty on it. No limited lifetime or whatnot, actually has a forever warranty on it. And she's spinning with just a little bit of air moving up here, so it's working excellent. And that's about it. The roof came out absolutely beautiful. Let's talk to the homeowner while I got him up here and see what he thinks. How do you think we did?
You guys did an excellent job. You did it quickly and did not have any issues or problems whatsoever.
Awesome. And would you recommend Stellar Roofing to someone doing a roof?
Definitely, they do a stellar job as the name implies.
Oh, that's great. We appreciate your business.
We appreciate your
Thank you, sir. And give us a thumbs up, and we'll be more videos to come. Thanks.